Hey everyone, so are you getting an update error when trying to update Slack? Maybe the app refuses to install the latest version or the update keeps failing again and again. Yeah, that can definitely be annoying, especially when you just want Slack to work normally. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Slack update error in 2026. And most of these fixes only take just a few minutes. First, check your internet connection. Slack updates require a stable connection to download the latest files. So if the connection is slow or unstable, the update might fail. Next, completely close Slack and then open it again. Sometimes the update process gets stuck, and restarting the app can trigger the update again. If Slack still doesn't update automatically, try checking for updates manually. This forces the app to look for the newest version and install it. If the update error continues, clearing Slack's cache can help. Old or corrupted cache files sometimes block the update process. Another thing you can try is running Slack as an administrator. This gives the app permission to install updates properly on your system. If the update still fails, download the latest version of Slack directly from the official website and install it manually. This replaces the existing version with a fresh installation. And if nothing else works, uninstall Slack completely and reinstall it. A clean installation usually fixes update errors caused by corrupted files. And that's it. Most Slack update errors can be fixed by restarting the app, clearing the cache, or installing the latest version manually. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick troubleshooting tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.